In this video I'm going to show you how to add location to your Instagram bio profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on Instagram, tap here on your profile, tap edit profile, and after that tap on your bio. There you can delete all the existing bio, and after that tap here on your emoji icon and search for location icon like that, and after that tap here, and there you can write your full address, so people will know that this is your address. And actually there are no Instagram feature to add linkable address to your profile, but you can add address in that way and anyone will know that that is your address because of this location icon. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.